Hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sir Jess once again. And today's ganap, I would like to share guys na na-receive ko na yung aking first salary in YouTube. So na-receive ko siya kahapon, yung aking salary dito kay Google AdSense YouTube. So I am thankful na na-receive ko na. And despite of waiting, nakala ko hindi siya papasok, pero pumasok siya sa aking bank account. So, ayan. So, I am so very glad na nakapasok na siya since nag-wait ako. Pero ayan, at dumating na siya. So, I am very happy na na-receive ko na yung aking first salary in YouTube. So, pumasok na siya sa aking ATM bank and mas tala akong na-inspired to make more videos. Siyempre, educational and vlogging. That's it. So, ayan. It's a sharing, guys. And thank you for all your support in watching my videos. Mapa-educational man or mapa-vlogging or routine or my daily routine, at least you are watching guys, so you are part of it. So thank you at na-receive ko na. So God bless everyone and thank you and keep on supporting my videos. God bless guys and have a wonderful afternoon to each and everyone. All right.